What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with American 4WD. Hope you're having an awesome day. Good news, everyone. I feel like the professor on Futurama. We've got new shirts in. Sarah's rocking one of our shirts. Yeah. So we got some new shirts in. Got a big ass box of them. So if you guys were wanting shirts, now remember, the old shirts had the black American Eagle and the black words, but we've changed it to white letters and a white American Eagle. So on both red and blue. So guys, if you're wanting a t-shirt, we finally have t-shirts back in stock. Thank you very much. Let's start off with some cool stuff. Sean's JK is officially stickered up and looking sweet. I did it myself, so I'm not a professional, but I think it came out pretty good. Got him all stickered up. He looking sweet. Rolling around town. Throwing our names out there. Hell yeah. Thank you, Sean. We got Craig's going for gears. Matt, they jacked us up. We were supposed to get Bilstein's front and rear. They gave us 4 front shocks, so we're waiting on 2 rear shocks for that guy. Oh, rabbits back there. School bus, haven't really done anything. We got some steel from it from LMS Metals. Thanks, you guys are awesome. So we should be getting some things situated there. We've got Chris's turd in the shop today. He's doing a little bit of work on his own vehicle. She got some problems, but he got her running. How you feeling?
Pretty good.
Yeah? You like having your Jeep finally here?
Yeah, well, it's always getting worked on somewhere.
Yeah. Yeah. So, do you have a name for it?
No.
No? Okay. Now we got to get a name. We have to name it. So, she's here. So hopefully, with a good little bit of work, we'll be able to get her situated so Chris can come riding with us. Anywho, we got White Trash in here, and I'm not lying, it's his name, White Trash. So we got White Trash in here. We blew up a rear differential, so that's always fun. So Brent's putting the new carrier pinion ring gear in. But what is better than 1 blown up rear axle? 2 blown up rear axles. So this is an excursion from one of our other customers. He blew up his rear end, so we took that apart. We're gonna get the ring pinion gears and all that other fun stuff, get that in there. Brent's having a great time.
What's up?
Hi, Brent. Do you have any news?
Do I have any news?
I don't know. You want anything? You want to say anything?
Got a press finally.
You got a what? You got
I got a press finally.
Oh, yeah, look at
That's
you.
air actuated.
Ooh. With whose money? Who bought
Papa
this?
made me happy.
Oh, yeah. Papa made me happy.
Yeah.
Jesus. That'll be cool. Harbor Freight special, baby.
Take care of my own bearings now.
Hell yeah. Start doing
Yeah,
those.
waiting on some parts for those rear ends, but that one's going back together today, and hopefully this is, as long as the part comes in.
Sweet.
Yep.
We got Kyle's old lift kit here. I think Carrie's going to buy that. But if she doesn't, it is here if anybody's interested. I have no idea how much he wants for it. Anywho. So, Brant, I'm going to turn down your music for a good memento. All right, so last time we left off with a cliffhanger from Karen. We don't know. I didn't show anything that Karen was getting, but I did make the announcement that we're going through some changes. So I'm sure that everybody saw the new hood louvers. That was awesome. It was fantastic. So now the suspension showed up. So I think everybody saw that too. What suspension did we go with? I'm still not going to tell you. I want to play a game. Let's play the game of name this lift kit. So, got Karen up in the air. I don't know. Some things are missing. So, I don't know if that gives anybody a clue. Some things are missing. And then some really long stuff has been put on here. I don't know what's going on. So, again, things got cut off and new things got welded. I'm not going to tell you what this kit is, but look at those weld. Boom, stack of dimes. Boom, stack of dimes, stack of dimes. Oh, anywho, so not going to tell you what's on it and what the rest of it's going to look like. Oh, crap, those... Oh, crap. I forgot those were on there. Anywho, well, I guess you've seen the shocks. But anywho, Karen is going together. Unfortunately, we forgot to buy the front cross member, so that is on the way. So we're just kind of chilling right this exact second. It looks like crap in here. Just kind of, we're getting it together here. We got the 4Ds all mounted to the wheels, all situated up. So that is awesome. Jesus, this is huge. Absolutely monster of a tire. But yeah. We got, I don't know, I wouldn't say halfway, but we're definitely getting there. But anywho, other announcements. The other day I posted up that for the entire month of November, okay, first off, in November, we had a ride. It was to AOP. So the question and the problem that I keep running into is people want to ride with us, but we're usually busy, we don't have time, or something like that. So instead of making that ride in November AOP, why don't we make ourselves entirely available all month long? That way we can go to your event, your organized event. If you want an exclusive with us, if you want us to show up to whatever, I mean, obviously no rock bouncer stuff and keep it within about a 4-hour radius, we'll show up. So that way everybody can get more of a chance if they've always been wanting to ride with us, but they don't want to go or we go, or if they want to go to their spot to where they feel comfortable and we ride with them, hell yeah, come on, ride with us. So that is the biggest announcement of the day. Other than that, I think that's it. White Santa just showed up. So I don't know what that's gonna be. But guys, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for letting us work on your stuff and giving us a job and giving us a good paycheck. So thank you so much. Hope to see you guys out this weekend. This weekend is the 5313 Off-Road Park. It is going to be a beginner's ride, so if you're a beginner and you wanted to ride with us, now's the time. Lost my mind. Hard reset. Doop, reset. Trailfest at the end of this month. We'll be at AOP. We'll be doing Trailfest. We'll have a booth there. Sarah will be there. Say hi, Sarah. Hello. And then after that, it's Go Topless Day. And then after that, the only other two things we have is the Streetcar Life Takeover, and then Jeep Invasion. Well, we will be at Jeep Invasion. So guys, thank you so much. We'll see you. Hope you have a good day.